Welcome to our channel. Today, we talk about the exciting world of financial independence. But what does financial independence really mean? At its core, it's the ability to live life on your own terms, free from the constraints of financial worry. Achieving this state allows you to pursue your passions, travel, or simply enjoy more time with loved ones without the stress of monthly bills looming over you. In this video, we'll explore the significance of financial independence and why it's a goal worth striving for. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to refine your approach, we'll share actionable steps that can help you move closer to financial freedom. So, stick around as we unlock the secrets to taking control of your financial future. Understanding financial independence. Financial independence is the state where your investments and savings generate enough income to cover your living expenses, allowing you to choose how you spend your time. Unlike traditional retirement, which often relies on a fixed income from pensions or Social Security, financial independence empowers you to create your own financial path, often well before the conventional retirement age. In today's economy, where job security is less certain and living costs continue to rise, achieving financial independence has become increasingly important. This trend is especially prevalent among millennials, who are prioritizing financial literacy and seeking alternative income streams. By focusing on building wealth and reducing debt, many young adults are redefining success and aiming for a life where they can work on their own terms. Assessing your current financial situation. The first step toward financial independence is to assess your current financial health. Start by tracking your income, expenses, and savings to get a clear picture of where you stand. Budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets can be invaluable tools for this assessment, making it easier to categorize your spending and identify areas for improvement. Understanding your debt is equally crucial. Knowing how much you owe and the interest rates can help you prioritize repayments. Additionally, calculating your net worth, assets minus liabilities, provides insight into your overall financial position. By taking the time to evaluate these aspects, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and set realistic goals on your path to financial freedom. Setting clear financial goals. Establishing specific, measurable financial goals is essential for achieving financial independence. One effective method is to use the SMART criteria. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," a SMART goal would be, "I will save $5,000 for a vacation within the next year." It's also important to differentiate between short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might include paying off a credit card, while long-term goals could involve saving for retirement. Additionally, aligning your financial goals with your personal values ensures that your efforts are meaningful and motivating. Whether it's traveling, buying a home, or supporting a cause, having clear goals will guide your financial decisions and keep you focused on your path to financial freedom. Creating a budget and saving plan. Creating an effective budget and saving strategy is crucial for financial independence. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This simple framework helps you prioritize your spending while ensuring you save for the future. To enhance consistency, consider automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month, making it easier to stick to your goals. Additionally, establishing an emergency fund is vital. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs, such as medical emergencies or job loss. By following these steps, you'll create a solid financial foundation that supports your journey toward financial independence. Investing for the future. Investing is a key component of achieving financial independence, as it allows your money to grow over time. There are various investment options to consider, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stocks offer the potential for high returns, but come with higher risk, while bonds provide more stability with lower returns. Real estate can be a great way to build wealth through property appreciation and rental income. Diversification is crucial in an investment portfolio. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and enhance returns. Additionally, starting to invest early is essential to take full advantage of compound interest, which allows your earnings to generate even more earnings over time. By making informed investment choices, you can set yourself on a path toward long-term financial success. Increasing your income streams. Boosting your income is a powerful way to accelerate your journey toward financial independence. One effective approach is to explore side hustles, such as freelancing or online tutoring, which allow you to leverage your skills and expertise for extra cash. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with clients seeking your services, while online tutoring can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge. Additionally, consider passive income, which involves earning money with minimal ongoing effort. This can be achieved through investments in stocks or real estate, where your money works for you over time. Rental properties can also provide a steady income stream. By diversifying your income sources and utilizing your skills, you can significantly enhance your financial stability and move closer to your goals. Managing debt wisely, effectively. Managing debt is crucial for achieving financial independence. Start by prioritizing the repayment of high-interest debt, such as credit cards, as this can save you money in the long run. Two popular methods for tackling debt are the snowball and avalanche techniques. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, which can boost motivation as you see progress. In contrast, the avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, minimizing overall interest paid. Consistency is key to choosing which method you choose. Additionally, avoiding accumulating new debt while you're in repayment mode is important. This means being mindful of your spending habits and using credit responsibly. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your debt and pave the way toward financial freedom. Staying motivated and accountable. Maintaining motivation on your financial journey is essential for long-term success. One effective way to stay inspired is by joining financial independence communities, whether online or in person. These groups provide support, share experiences, and offer valuable advice, helping you stay accountable to your goals. It is also crucial to review your progress regularly. Take time to assess your financial plans and make adjustments as needed. This reflection allows you to stay on track and adapt to any changes in your circumstances. Additionally, don't forget to celebrate small financial wins along the way. Acknowledging these achievements can boost your motivation and reinforce positive habits, whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings milestone. By fostering a supportive environment and recognizing your progress, you'll be better equipped to achieve financial independence. In this video, we've explored the essential steps toward achieving financial independence. We discussed the importance of assessing your current financial situation, setting clear goals, creating a budget, and investing for the future. We also highlighted the value of increasing your income streams and managing debt wisely. Remember, taking actionable steps today is crucial for building a secure financial future. Whether it's starting a side hustle or automating your savings, every small effort counts. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from it as well. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support your journey toward financial freedom. Thank you for watching.